Yo, what's up guys? So today is going to be a repair video. So do you remember when I installed that electric exhaust? Well, it stopped working a few months ago and it's right there. You can see it right there. This is a new part I just bought, but the reason why it stopped working was because inside of this thing right here, water somehow got in, probably through this little opening right there. And yeah, it just stopped working because the water just corroded everything. I'll take it off and I'll show it to you guys, but to fix it this time, I got some dielectric grease. That should really fix up the problem. I'm just gonna get this whole tube, or not this whole thing, but I'm just gonna squeeze a bunch around the inside of this. Take off this boot first, then do that. So here it is underneath. This is the broken part. I'm just taking these 3 bolts off right now, and having this ratcheting wrench really helps. Look how easy that is. And alright, so here's the old piece. It's all black. This is just the little tailpipe thing. This is the new piece. Look how clean it is, brand new. So I'm going to open, or try to open up this part for you guys so I can show you how corroded it is. And yeah, these are just the gaskets. I'm just gonna reuse it because I don't think the new ones, nope, the new one does not come with it. So just gonna reuse these gaskets. All right, so I just got this and opened it. Look how this shit looks. Look how corroded it looks. Like, no wonder. And yeah, it's still wet. So I'm not surprised that this motor died. I mean, look how wet it is. I'm really not surprised. It's so corroded. Let's try to zoom. Let's try to focus on that. That's pretty bad. Yeah, so makes sense why it didn't work. So for the new one, let's open this up and lube it up with some dielectric grease. So here's the new one, and here's how it's supposed to look. Yeah, big difference, right? And I'm just going to put grease on the metal contacts right there, but I'm probably going to put a lot of more grease everywhere else just because I have a lot, and you know, why not? I'd rather have it overkill, and I'd rather have this thing work for a long time instead of buying a new one whenever it breaks, because yeah, no. Do it right the first time so you don't have to do it again. So I went a little overkill with this and the dielectric grease. Put a bunch literally everywhere. Not on the outside, that's just my gloves. It looks shiny because, yeah, my gloves were. But yeah, I put it around the edge, and I also put a bunch in the little tip right here, hoping, you know, nothing would happen. I mean, I know that I could probably seal it better if I had the gasket, whatever, or there's another thing, I forgot what it was called, but you just put it right here, and it basically, over time, it like solidifies, and this does not. This just, it's gonna be grease forever. But yeah, I don't have it at the moment, so I'm just gonna do this and pray for the best. Here's the new piece, it's in. I taped it up too, so there's no water that can go through this connection. I'll show you the inside, and I'll turn it on for you just to show you that it works. Alright, so it's closed right now, and I'm about to open it. Bam. This is the same remote, by the way. Same remote with the old one. The reason why the same remote works is because this thing is just the motor. The actual receiver is inside the car. The Jeep, I mean. But yeah, then you just press it to close. Bam. Yeah, I mean, not a hard fix. It only took like probably 20 minutes, and I'm not too upset about it. So hopefully this thing will last for a while. But yeah, if you guys have any other questions, thanks for watching. I'm not going to like turn on the Jeep just to hear it, because I already know how it sounds, and it's daytime right now, so I don't want to bother my neighbors with this loud exhaust. Alright guys, I'll see you later. Peace.
DA got that dope.